Opening a stubborn jar shouldn't feel like a full body workout, but for millions of people, especially seniors or those with arthritis, it's a daily struggle that can be frustrating and even painful. Asterisk the problem isn't just about strength. Conditions like arthritis cause stiffness, pain, and a weak grip, making something as simple as twisting off a lid feel like an impossible task. And if you've ever had to ask for help opening a jar, you know it can also feel like a loss of independence. Asterisk, that's where the electric jar opener comes in. This is more than just a gadget. It is a solution designed for real people with real challenges. Asterisk, designed with seniors and individuals with arthritis or weak hands in mind. This opener is engineered to do the work for you. It features a powerful motor that provides the torque needed to break the seal on even the tightest lids. From pasta sauce jars to pickles, asterisk, using it is incredibly simple. You just place it on top of the jar, press a single button, and the device takes over. Its jaws grip the lid and the jar securely, and an inner mechanism twists the lid off without any effort on your part. Asterisk, now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but does it really work? The reviews speak for themselves. Users with hand conditions often call it a lifesaver and a game changer. They share stories of successfully opening jars that were previously impossible, and the joy of regaining their independence in the kitchen. Asterisk, of course, like any product, it's not perfect. It's important to find a model that is durable and reliable, but the core benefit remains undeniable. This device transforms a frustrating struggle into a simple, effortless, and independent task. Okay, let's be honest for a second. How many times have you woken up in the middle of the night, needed to use the bathroom, and had to stumble through a dark hallway half asleep, squinting and hoping you don't trip over something? Or worse, you turn on the bright overhead light, and suddenly you're wide awake, and getting back to sleep feels impossible. Now, for many of us, it's just an annoyance, but for seniors, it's a real safety hazard. Tripping and falling in the dark is one of the leading causes of injury for older adults. Hip fractures, head injuries, these are serious and life-changing events that often start with something as simple as a nighttime trip to the bathroom. There is a simple, affordable solution that can make a world of difference. It's called a motion sensor-led toilet night light. This tiny gadget sticks to the rim of your toilet bowl or the wall nearby, and it completely transforms the nighttime experience. Here's how it works. It has a built-in motion sensor. The moment you walk into the bathroom, the light automatically turns on. It's a soft, gentle glow, not a harsh, blinding light. It's just enough to guide your steps, so you can see where you're going without waking up your brain completely. Once you leave, it turns off by itself. Imagine the peace of mind that brings. No more stumbling in the dark, no more worries about tripping over a misplaced item, and no more bright lights shocking you awake. It's a small device that gives you and your family a little bit of safety and a lot of comfort. These lights are also very affordable and incredibly easy to install. You just stick it on, and it runs on batteries for months. There are even color options: soft blue, warm white, or even rotating colors. It's a small touch that makes the bathroom feel safe, welcoming, and almost magical. And the best part, you'll never have to navigate a dark bathroom again. All right, hands up if you've ever lost your keys. Come on, be honest. We've all been there. You're about to leave the house. You pat your pockets. You check the table. You look under the couch cushion. And somehow, they've just vanished into thin air. It's frustrating, it wastes time, and it happens to the best of us. Asterisk, now imagine that happening every single day. For seniors, losing keys, remote controls, or even their wallet becomes a daily source of stress and anxiety. It's not just annoying, it can cause real worry, especially if they're living alone. They start second-guessing themselves, wondering if they're forgetful or if something is wrong. Asterisk, but here's the good news. There's a simple fix for this. Asterisk, it's called a Bluetooth tracker. Small devices like Tile or the affordable Amazon alternatives that you can attach to anything. Keys, remote controls, wallets, even your phone or glasses. Once you attach it, you'll never lose that item again. Asterisk. And how does it work? It's brilliantly simple. You get a small remote, or you use an app on your phone. The moment you can't find something, you just press a button. The tracker starts beeping, loud and clear, so you can follow the sound and find your item in seconds. Some models even work with voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home. Asterisk. Imagine the peace of mind that brings. No more searching for 10 minutes before you leave the house. No more stress. Just one press of a button, and your keys start calling out to you. It's almost like magic. Asterisk. These devices are affordable, easy to set up, and they run on batteries that last for over a year. They're perfect for seniors, busy families, or anyone who just wants to save time and stress. Small investment, huge peace of mind. Asterisk. Because you shouldn't have to waste your day searching for your keys.